Harnessing a powerful 1800 watts, the electric power washer 4800 PSI delivers exceptional cleaning force for even the toughest tasks. With 4 quick connect spray tips and a 16.9-ounce foam tank, this pressure washer offers versatile cleaning options for various surfaces. The efficient total stop system feature enhances convenience by automatically shutting off the pump when the trigger is released, conserving energy and prolonging the washer's lifespan. The 25-foot pressure hose and 16.4-foot power cord ensure excellent reach and mobility, making it easy to clean different areas without hassle. This pressure washer is designed to tackle stubborn grime, oil stains, rust, and tar with ease, making it a reliable tool for both residential and commercial cleaning tasks. Exceptional customer support is available to assist with any issues, underscoring the brand's commitment to customer satisfaction.